The political crisis in Rivers State has taken a new turn as Edison Ehie, the chief of staff to Governor Siminalayifubara, revealed that he was offered 5 billion naira to arrange the governor's impeachment. Ehie made this claim during an interview on Sunday Politics, a program on Channels Television, held on March 30, 2025. He stated that he has proof of the bribery attempt saved on his phone and has also printed and shared the copies of the evidence to protect himself. The crisis in Rivers State began when Governor Siminalayifubara had a political fallout with his predecessor, Naija Wike, who is now the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT. The situation escalated further when President Bola Ahmed Tinubu declared a state of emergency in the state on March 18, 2025.
I would have mentioned here for you to know the elementary cause of this crisis. And you know, everything I mentioned, I show you evidence. I would have also opened my phone to show you on the beginning of October 2023, where they had approached me with a bribe of 5 billion naira. It's there on my phone. It's here. My WhatsApp, I'll open it to show you. And that money was to be passed to me through Honorable. But I'll leave that for now. Because we are in the part of peace.
What the money is supposed to be for?
What is right?
Is the money supposed? What was the money supposed to be for? The 5 billion.
Lead up to this thing where we are. But I agree with the excellency of my principal. They have decided to pursue the part of peace for us to have a harmonious solution of this situation for all parties to have a stable government in Rivers State, for Rivers people to enjoy the government they put in.
What was the money they were offering you, the 5 billion? What was it supposed, what was it meant for? I don't know if you can hear me. But okay, let me go to another question if you hear this one.
But impeachment, it's invaded, it's here. It's here. I have the record and I printed it and distributed it in case, in the evil machination, they are trying to attack me or kill me. I already have a wife, a son, and a daughter. And I told you years ago that I am meant to fear. They know.
Judge Wike, the Rivers State former head of service, also claimed that he had witnessed a bag of money being given to Edison Ehie for a political operation. However, Ehie denied these claims and announced that he would take legal actions against Wike for criminal libel. He also revealed that on the same day Wike resigned as the head of service, he had asked him for financial help. Meanwhile, Edison Ehie remains firm on his stance that he rejected the bribe and has evidence to support his claims. The people of Rivers State and Nigeria as a whole will be watching closely to see how these political events develop in the coming weeks. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below as we'll continue to supply you more trendy news updates. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.